2. Hey guys, and welcome to the episode 2 of Hayden the Cooking Kid. On today's episode, we're going to be making a hot dog with Cool Whip and ketchup mixed together. I'm not sure if Uncle Clay is really gonna like this or if he will like it, but we'll see. Okay guys, welcome back to my kitchen. And you know what we're gonna make. Now, first we're gonna instead of using just ketchup and Cool Whip, we decided to add in our horseradish mustard, our Hennes tomato ketchup, and our Cool Whip. Well, I chose to use Cool Whip instead of just ketchup and horseradish mustard because, I thought it would be nice to add a little bit of sweetness to it and see how it goes. So, and we're also going to wrap the hot dog with the sauce on it in the bread. So let's see how that goes. So first we're going to take our bowl with our spoon and we're going to get our horseradish mustard. And we're going to squeeze that in there. You have to eat that. And then we're going to take our ketchup, open it up. I think I need to shake it first. Okay. And then we're gonna add some Cool Whip. Add some Cool Whip. Okay, here we go. I think that's enough. So the next step is stirring them all together. You know, you probably don't want to make this at home because it's going to turn out pretty yucky, I'm sure. Well, because I want to see Uncle Clay's reaction and how he reacts to it, and I'm not going to try it, so no harm for me. And now our next step is to spread out the sauce on the bread. So we're going to take a spoonful and put it on the bread. Take another spoonful, put it on the bread. You know, something that I might say that I just thought of is it doesn't matter about filling the bowl of the sauce. It matters about how much you actually need. So I didn't make much because it's only Uncle Clay trying it. So we're going to spread that out on the bread. Maybe a little more.
I don't think so. I think that's plenty.
Okay, now we're going to take our hot dog, put it onto the bread, and roll it up. And now it's ready for Uncle Clay to try. Now, do you want to stick this in the freezer?
As will happen when we do productions like this, one of the cameras happened to stop rolling when I tried this. We got it on the B cam, so we're gonna see it, but here we go.
Let's watch the B cam.
Let's watch the B cam.
I got something for you to try.
Well, hello, Hayden. You want to tell me what you created here?
It's a hot dog surrounded by bread and Cool Whip, the kind of mustard that we used, and don't know what it's called, and ketchup.
All right, your plate presentation is nice. It looks kind of appetizing, actually. It looks like a good sauce. Looks like a good sauce. It kind of smells kind of like a hot dog. It doesn't smell bad, actually. I don't love ketchup on my hot dogs. I'm a mustard hot dog person, but
well, we used a certain kind of mustard.
You did, huh? All right, so here we go. What do you call this?
Hot dog with a twist.
Hot dog with a twist. Hayden the Cooking Kid. Let's give it a try. Ready?
One to 10, buddy. 1 to 10.
1 to 10, huh? It's not bad.
1 to 10. Tell me the truth.
Let me chew it up and finish first, okay?
You should finish it.
Hey, if you really truly like it, then you can finish the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. I could.
Okay, rate it and then take another bite. Because it's so good.
I shouldn't have taken as big of a bite, first off. Second, it's not bad. It's kind of almost like mayonnaise.
Okay, I'm not trying that.
You made it. You don't want to try it?
No way, Jose. I'm out of here.
All right. Well, that does it for the Uncle Clay trying portion of this week's episode.
All right, everybody. That's it for episode 2, Hayden the Cooking Kid. Bye. I can't wait till we get to the baking part.
Yeah, we're gonna